Hi, today is December 29th, which means we only have 2 days left until the start of 2023, and I am way overdue for a total makeover. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, or like just to give a little bit of context, I'm currently in my reputation era, which has been going on for like maybe 6 months now. I think it started mid-June, and then I plan to make a big comeback on the first day of 2023. So all of your new year, new me, new year resolution shit on social media, okay? This day will be about me, okay? It's my time. 2023 is gonna be my year. Yeah, so the first part of this video is I'm gonna cut my hair, and then the second part will be bleaching my eyebrows, and the third part will be me trying to secure a wig, and the fourth is that I'm having some ideas for my New Year's Eve outfits, you know, like some DIY projects that I really want to try. So yeah, I'll take you guys through it as well, and then we'll see how that goes, and we'll see if I'm gonna be able to finish all of them just before New Year's Eve. So this is my hair before. We're gonna cut it now. Hit it! Cute feet. Okay, but in all seriousness, this would make such a cute, no, not cute, but like a very emotional scene in a coming of age movie, you know, where the main character experiences something bad and they decide that they want to chop their hair off, you know, and with the song in the background, oh my god, it's giving early 2000s emo, you know? Pull me away, forget yesterday, we'll make the great escape. Oh, I look so masculine. Mask for mask. On a high fashion point of view, I kind of dig it. You know, like it's very editorial, which I'm all about, but like, you know, I'm surrounded by commoners, so I need to look conventional, and this is not conventional, okay? Looking like Bella Hadid in the Marc Jacobs show was not on my bingo card for this year, okay? Just like this. Like, I know that Tyra said that it would be good for my modeling career, but I don't think I can ever learn how to look this. I just don't feel me. Like, is it even worth it to stay in the competition if I look like this? I wanna go home. On my way to secure the safety pins and also hair bleach and also a spray paint. Cute fit. Ooh. Okay, so bleach and safety pins are secured. I only have the spray paints, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep like the original silver or paint them gold, so we'll see. Hello, today is December 30th, 1 day left until my major transformation, and I am now about to go buy the wig. So initially I planned to order it on Amazon, but I'm like the type of person who leaves everything at the last minute just because I like the adrenaline and I tend to perform well under pressure. But I soon found out that it just applies to academia, okay, not applies to real life. So wake the fuck up if you're like me. Wake the fuck up. Yeah, so I looked up on Google and there's actually 2 wig stores that are pretty nearby my house, so I'm gonna take the bus to go there, and yeah, we'll try on some wigs. And but like the vision still stays the same, so I am looking for kind of like a mullet shaggy haircut, you know, like kind of like 80s vibe. Yeah, my first stop. Let's see if I can buy anything I want from here right away. Okay, because I don't have time. got the wig and I still have time to spare. Oh my god, I love myself. Oh my, a master in time management. Okay, now we're gonna go to Target to maybe pick up new bleach, and I need toilet paper because I shed a lot. I have literally waited 6 months to do this. It's time to bleach the eyebrows. I think it's been 3 years. Yeah, three years since I last bleached my hair. And then the first time, and that was the first and also the last. I hope that's not the last, but like the most recent. So it was a disaster because I only have one bleaching kit, and then originally I wanted to go for like a rose gold color for my hair, but then that would require like bleaching it twice because my hair was virgin hair. I've never bleached it before, and it was pitch black. So yeah, the result turned out to be like a coppery color, which I didn't mind because like right after that, like in 2022, I think like the color copper for the hair color copper was actually one of the like trending colors. So yeah, trendsetter. I was doing it way before you bitches. Okay, I think we're good. I'm just gonna while we're waiting for the timer. I think it's time for like have a like one-on-one talk, you know. Okay, so the reason why, okay, so a little bit background. I've never considered New Year's Eve as like a holiday or a special occasion because first of all, I don't celebrate New Year's Eve. I celebrate Lunar New Year. So this shit means nothing to me. But then 2022 was kind of a special year for me because not special because it was like positive, special because it was bad. It was like really challenging. It's been a really challenging year for me. I literally hit rock bottom. More on that later.
Okay. You got me there. But that is not a crime.
I'm just very happy and very grateful to make it to another year and finish 2022 strong. So, and also I miss social media. Like I miss shit posting on Instagram, you know? So I really look forward to making my comeback on Instagram. And then, so that is why I'm literally putting myself in pain just to, you know, make a statement, make an entrance, because you only live once, babe. Like, romanticize your life. Pretend that you're like Taylor Swift. This is why I'm having this reputation era. I'm Taylor Swift. I'm the next Taylor Swift.
I'm the next Taylor Swift. I'm the next Taylor Swift.
Mark my word. No, don't. I lie all the time, so don't mark my word. Update y'all, after 20 minutes, my eyebrows look like this. I mean, that's expected because my hair is really black, and this is just the first time bleaching. So I think I'm gonna wait like maybe an hour or two before I continue bleaching them again. So hopefully the second time it will like get to the color that I want. Okay. Third time bleaching, and this is the final results. Like, what the fuck? Like, I could... Don't buy this, okay? Like, it didn't lift any color. It says here on the box that lift and lengthen up to 8 shades. Bitch, this is not 8 shades. This is like 3.5. I'm so pissed. So, I have an alternative. So, I know that this is like, the last day of 2022 and you are so busy you don't have time to go to Walmart or Target, and so there's an easy solution for that. So this video is sponsored by something. I'm just kidding. It's not sponsored, but yeah, I literally just went to Walmart to get this. Okay, like we're getting somewhere. Not too bad. But I feel like Oh my god, did you see it? Do you see it? Okay, from up close it looks patchy, but that's okay. I will clean them with tissue later. But then did you see it? It's like much better. Like, oh, I don't have eyebrows. Now you do. Okay, and voila. I'm a genius. Ugh. Okay, step 3 is done. I've now bleached my eyebrows. Thank you. I just made a quick detour to Circle K because I need to exchange coins because I need to do laundry. I know, right? Celebrities, they're just like us. I also have laundry to do. Yeah, and then I got this whole pizza for free. So thank you, Circle K. Hashtag this is not sponsored. Yeah, thank you, Circle K. I guess it's because of like my high fashion look, you know, they're so impressed, or they just want me to get the fuck out of their store. But either way, I'm so happy. Anyways, we only have one phase left, which is DIY my New Year's Eve outfit. So okay, so I have this dress shirt that I think it's like older than me because this is hand-me-down from my dad. This is the dress shirt that I wore to every single one of my job interviews for this year. So yeah, it's bittersweet. So I would love to like give it a new life, you know, like repurpose it. Okay, so this is the shirt. This is the sleeve, the left sleeve, and then this is the shirt. Fuck. Okay, not a good cut, but that's okay. You live and you learn. And then now I'm gonna make a ham out of this. Okay, I am finished. Look at the hams. I don't have enough threads here, so there's quite a gap. But then overall, I think I did a pretty good job considering that this is my first time making hems or like hemming. So yeah, we are good to go. Oh, I'm so tired. Ta-da! I cracked the code. I figured out a way to like achieve more by doing less, you know. So I just changed the order that I button the shirts, and then I got this really like cool effects. It's kind of like I don't know what's it called, but it looks cool. So high fashion. I think we are done with this project. And then we are moving on to the next one. If I have enough time, I am gonna do a cutout from this turtleneck. So yeah, 2.5 hours left until midnight to finish this shit. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna do a big part of like the big comeback announcement is that I'm gonna have like a full-on photo shoot. So after this, we have to do like a photo shoot and also edit them. Everything done by midnight. And on top of that, I haven't finished my second load of laundry. I haven't taken a shower. I haven't vacuumed. I haven't mopped the floor. The fuck? I feel like I'm on an episode of America's Next Top Model. You know, like when the model have to do go-see. This is what it feels like. I feel for you girls. Okay, here goes nothing. Let's cut it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I just realized that I've never shown you guys the wig that I bought yesterday. So here it goes. It's definitely not what I had in mind originally, but then I like it. Just think of like Lisa Rinna. So yeah, I'm channeling her vibe for sure. Yeah, and then it totally fits the 90s, 80s, or like 2000s criteria. What's after like? Okay, so here is the wig.
I know, wig. I feel that already.
I totally look like I belong in the Real Housewives. I look bomb. Like, I look so good. Oh my god. The gift of being versatile. So this is the first outfit. Yeah, this is the first outfit, but now with the pants and also shoes. The vibe I'm going for is kind of like punk rock. So think of like Olivia Rodrigo or Avril Lavigne, but elevated. Oh, sorry. And I do have Argyle pattern socks, so I'm gonna wear those socks instead of this one, but this is just like a rough sketch or like a demo. So yeah, this is the second outfit. Yay! Everything still stays the same except for the cutout for the oh my god, it's kind of for the turtleneck. And then as you guys all know, I use the safety pins to secure them in place just to make them tighter, you know. So yeah, and now we're gonna do the photo shoot. Full outfit, and I chose to go with the Nike shoes because blue and kind of like red and pink, so they go together. So this is it. And then I think I'm gonna go for accessories. Yeah, we need accessories. And yeah, so that is the third outfit. Hello, we are shooting the second outfit, and it's so hard to do this all by myself. Like, I have to position myself, I have to position the camera, and also I have to time it. Like, okay, so this will be like the backdrop because this outfit is kind of like sleek and pretty clean. So I want a simple white background, you know, just to complement the black and white colors.
Majesty, Paolo is exhausted because Majesty, only Paolo, can take this and give you
A princess.